Okay, as promised, here you go, you guys. I realize that might look a little intimidating, so baby steps. Looks like for 5, it involved foiling, and then I opted to use factoring to solve from there. Number 6 I thought was pretty nice because you can just square both sides and you really just set the radicans equal to each other. And then 7 is one of those weird questions where you have like extra square roots in both problems, but you're gonna have to FOIL. So I used the whole a equals root x plus 6 thing again. And then I went ahead and plugged it back in later on. If you're not sure how I went from here to here, I knew ahead of time that the square and the square root would cancel out, so I just copied the x plus 6 in for here. That's all. And you should have checked all your solutions. It's coincidental that all of them worked. That doesn't always happen. So please, please, please check your answers when your index is even. I'm going to do one word problem with you because your textbook likes to use these, and when you first look at it, it looks a little intimidating, but it's actually a very simple problem. So it looks like we're talking about wind velocity, and here's the velocity formula, and P stands for air pressure. So they're saying, okay, find the air pressure. So they want you to find P. That means they must have given you what the other side is. So the velocity, V of P, this whole thing, is 54.5. So I'm going to take out the V of P, and I'm going to put 54.5 in for it. So your job is just to solve that equation. So it looks like 6.3 we'll have to leave first through division. And I'm just rounding. I get about 8.65. And then I want to lose the square root and square both sides and then solve from there. So you get roughly 938.16.